was thinking, why should we take admission in DAV?
Because there are so many things which altogether cannot provided by a school.
Can you tell some of them?
No, I will not only tell you, but I will show you all of them.
Why you have opted for NCC and that too in DAV?
Because NCC is a National Cadet Corps and I want to be in army in future. That's why I'm here in DAV.
Okay, you are the volunteers of this NSS. Can you tell me what is this NSS and why you have opted for it?
Yes, we are the volunteers of NSS of DV St. Henry Public School Tohana, standing in front of you to tell you about NSS.
It stands for National Services Scheme.
This is run by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It develops the youth.
It develops the society.
It develops the nation.
That's why we say, not me,
but you.
स्वयं से पहले आप.
I am Guide Captain.
Scouts and Guide is an educational institution. Scout and Guide is an organization that has shaped the future of millions of young people. Scouting and Guiding is started by Lord Baden-Powell in 1907 with the motto of shaping the young generation. It teaches us various activities like camping, hiking, etc. Scout and Guide motto, be prepared, tells us to always be prepared for the challenges with confidence and courage.
We have Atal Tinkering Lab in our school which provides STEM education.
Why this POXO committee board is being hanging over in your school?
This is the committee that protects the student from any kind of sexual harassment.
We have beautiful botanical garden in our school.
Hey, Dishika, what are you doing here?
We are performing Havan in the Yagyashala. It is performed to purify the environment and imbibe the rich spiritual and cultural heritage of Indian philosophy.
Beta, why you are sitting in library? What is so good about library?
There is an excellent library stocked with books which help the students expand their mental horizons and benefits the teachers as well.
Hey, why you are sitting in computer lab? Do you really like it?
We love coming to the computer lab because it's help us boost our knowledge.
Honor, I really want to become a scientist and I like very much doing experiments in labs. Do we have any labs?
Yes, there are so many labs in the school. Let me show you all the labs.
We have physics lab in our school to teach some basic experimental techniques.
We have chemistry lab in our school to provide practical knowledge of chemicals.
We have bio lab in our school for providing practical knowledge of living things.
What is the best quality of transportation system in your school?
Our transportation system is safe and secure for each and every student.
We have amusement park for fun.
Let us take you to the reception area and the administration block of our school, which is the starting point. This is our reception. She is the receptionist, Mrs. Ritu Sharma. So here's our supervisory head, Mr. Yashpal. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Sir, anything about DAV if you want to speak?
DAV is the best school in Tohana regarding academic and sports, both. We have a lot of sports are playing in the school campus like volleyball, football, chess, kabaddi, kho-kho, basketball and athletics, hockey also. We have participated in different tournaments like SGFI, DAV National Sports and CBSC. We have participated and near about 100 medals we got in different sports every year. Thank you.
Now hold your breath. We are going to meet our Honorable Principal Sir, Dr. Neeraj Kumar. Sir, may I come inside? So this is the only man behind the success of our school. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, do you want to say anything about our school?
I think we are the best school in the Tohana area, and our total family, means DAV family, is totally committed to provide the best atmosphere in education and to provide the best school in the board classes to our students. And I assure all the parents that you will see the best atmosphere and best result of DAV. And thank you parents, thank you everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, everyone.